Everything for high juicy news. Mema Obibia Kwaba. I had the latest hot and Aremeyaw Bremo. And we so we can subscribe to channel area. Bomodian say obe subscribe. Robeyan say obe click a year the subscribe button. Now barely notification. We understand video for free be upload with the first person once ebe can. Yes, video. Afi we are now like video no. Give us a thumbs up. Na fi share ma wo fufuro so na when you be here. Na ensem dodo na ra ekoso ewo Ghana memo hano afi yemura ye ensem a abeto yepono so yinti eye sa report ya ababeto je sanko mo yimuma yinti
na no obitwa de koma president wakacha president so Kojo Kyeremanteng ayi makati ababetra no mo keka nsem afa za to no nyanya president and e ho na president first opewe no obi friend no ka ye say ni say the president ka and ye forwarding ni nyina program ni nyina de ma president obotie no forwarding man pakro onchire ba bi kura amrante didi matem dependent man che no frɛ ka che say me sorry president na ka ye sorry we o ti asem say na no pese hu and oni ye kasa ai we fa onu ye pe nya akonya mpo ni kasa kama and ye se enko gina ba bi nka ho asem bone da na ye fie ho ma sai and ye aba wo ne de wo ko ne ye ton wo e de ne akasem bone ya de afa ho
fi NPP ho
o ne se wo de asai ye atubu agu ama wa sai ya se ho ne ye fi ho
so on Wontumi no
not it Wontumi sin na what ma say national security and America some say omo tutu niema yi me sheda specifically me sheda bo obi position so omo hwe ni mo nkasa no onya niema no de we pe no amamu ne pe ni ye and Ghana wonu say amamu no bu ne be yi national security na ye the main president what ma say
mama ko
ona bo jonjina po oba ya wo kasa yi e good so ababekasa wonim ne sector enkrofo na niema bone ne koso a containers ne niema no won say so ani smooth omianche enkrofo no empanimfo no mu no won chechi wo mo
Afenyo say ka match na ko
ba this and so much ne ho wachi be 10 what man say ebi ko 3 days ebi ko remind ebi ko ba eno kura mpo ye another way plus for the government e busy what man e munya adwuma nye na no mo edem ko eto bi mpo empa na bi da oya nka eso munya adwuma no mo ye what man say maka international security munya adwuma na won ko Wontumi ho sei na munya gate nachi ye dey wo bomb 1-2 no man national security wo kra bench warrant wo right wo kra Wontumi fro what man say gate Wontumi bu no wo advantage obi bia mu mo microphone mu se mo ababa mu ya ma na fo enema sesa wo ya government ma hunye hu national security de wo ya bonsam o abambo na ye bu mu na bonsamfo am wo mu a mo hwade so what man say da bi de make no justice national security wo djuma na say wo na wo hwade ni nyina ensuo wo mo na national security wudu na za bonsam no obi hu nya adekro eye pepepe mo hunye hu na mo nwe hu ankrofo mo nchi nkrofo ana ayi say utam am ko che na nye adenta kumitam na nye anopa say
anajo
anyumra ba say 10 11 12 mo no
obeda no
odware awie no wa peke no it is anajo no mo di chill sa the whole night eti mo di meko ba bia no betum na nani so biri no wonim akra hampo no wa no hu ba bia wo america sa na odum la wodim awuram no wonim so okofo duase na wakra mo make sure say sankofo we mu be punish omo ukochi na patru ukochi na pasa ayedai
enu kwa mu di ni si bank for kai
wo so mo ko we ayi Wontumi fie ho say na nkofo be bra be gina dan na chi omo nyina gege anim ho picking time obi ama obi e koda be 11 12 na so ti say say nkofo bi aba obi ama ho no da international security fund omo nye hu no omo toto niema na emuga na de na yekoso no de nya de nkofo be di agro omo tete ye we se tete omo ye nya kwanya na agi amamu ni ebu dia ye bebu ni ebu ni ye ni atoto niema ye ye nya ne sa national security fund se omo start ye pa eduba bi etiko form muga wo se be se 1 month ni wo se national security omo niema ba form pa no mbi bia form be 1 month ba nyankopon da wo ma se no omo start no so ko mo anima de be kan so mo modern no mo ntimi ko mo anim no mo toto niema no omo make sure say de so mo ye eye enkofo be bredi boni o enkofo be bra ye niema anye once we say ayi for de wo say ye chi ayi nipa ba ko pe e ho akokoda ye chi ba akofo ani ye jai ye kokochi ayi osono ba ekokofa ani ono pe keto ani ye jai ho ne ho no da wo sa empanimfo no mo di dwiri empanimfo mo say niema no wo na say form adanta komisa ne we ni ni we ni video ni
arrest no
ya eno no Omo ye calm. Omo kasa calm. Omo kacha na yire ni say wonum ka camp onye den. Won tu car ni fa ni omo chimhwe baby omo domoko. National security
your mama national security nye Akufo Addo nkofo.
National security ni your mama de wo.
Ya me can say your mama person omo ye say Rambo style of arrest.
But if you try more than Rambo. You have to arrest these people. They are thieves. What man say? Chrono mabebon. Men no money did their grossa. Akola we the no. Or person penny for namu no person we. To the small punishment. There's some punishment kakra no ejano. One day we need some. One more someone can say no man some no daily. What man say?
Two the jams ano.
When say two the national security. Say wake for to serve your unia. Make us some more abonsam for can office them boy. What the only abonsam na ejum. What government of the day won buy?
We
NIB yeah. What man say?
BNI no so mo say di ne ba
it is almost di ne better na sound ye chair we no
kwa ne hu
wom we say hu nim and I be use ekosa bank we bo abeka bank
mo pe boni dia no mo chinji
di no BNI ye bope una na te okra pe na wada fom no awu what you say e di na ehu no mane wo what ma say eti muga omo ye djuma dia me yensa djuma na omo ye no mo koso saa no mo nye ne ye no mo hwe ba bia ho so mo enye we no because o check we yeah no the wife no watch no so video or this side
okay
we said mommy you said wife mommy I don't know
janoti
honoti
okay
Wabet try jo woni musa so many years baby ate won de e kwa ne mu so
Akufo Addo
wanya hwe wo
okay ye tie Wontumi so abra ono so mobowura ne fi no granted interview ye tie de Wontumi so Asante regional chairman of the NPP ono so kan
Minya Ghana ni bio. Petition say the one we never be president in T. Minya Ghana ni bio. Ghana for mun sorry o. Ghana for mun sorry o. NPP for nyina mun sorry o. NPP for nyina mun sorry o. Ayamunti ana mahama yemse. NPP for ayamunti ana mahama yemse. Be vice president da. Me madon board so da. Me my CEO da. Me my minister da. Aya dia ya. Aya chairman na bidie. And I want to be campaigning, mammy. I'm not me campaigning, mammy party. And I'm here, Juma. Sadia, I will say more also with the mammy. My yawi, ya win it, one I win it. Young Mama, only president of Ghana. It's no fly and so. What a 13. We are tired of the boom, Juma. Mubuma Juma, any idea, you know, ya no. Mancabia, and Yabia was a be a Manakai. Buba ye ma topi madwuma nyina ma count mpa bi didie wo so no me ma count kra bi didie wo so no se be tua me ma school fees kra pa ye den what I say mo de mo start ma count so anyina na sabe me sika ben na be fa me ho abai sika ben na be fa wu bi wa me ma count
very well.
Mama end.
Ojo family say na fe me ma
me do so the national security make no. Once no muje actually sir. Gate main gateway. National security
so no electric fence Wontumi.
What's that?
No. We electric.
Shoot to fence na tinugu. Wo shoot be na tiagu. Wo koyo operation fa ni agro. What man say? Na mo ground. What one man wo ye de wo ye fa so be na wo so. So ono na gese onya appointment. When we say Wontumi agro wo from papa. When also open national chairman di no. Now there's we di boni na baby this is more appointment answer and my boni we di wo man mu no this is more appointment what to galam say what to one the concession me man crofo akonta mine we need lands papers nye we dey ma bebre nye this is man see you announce minister ansa na yetima ba bechew Wontumi nim die wo form dodo we see open national chairman di NPP for sorry satama no o the dollar the gold at studio no of NPP for now they say be mu nim nyansa na kokona mo na say rubber bullet kra kanwa wo be hu ba bi alive be fa omba bet chance nya scanning na mfa so be ne ba so o akwaba akwa demonstration because na ni onya problem on ani e odi wuye NPP ba mo amfi no e no na mu an odi wuye ayi adabraka ya nani onya problem on ani na kwame mbu na say obenya stroke wawu
na kwame wu
na kwame wu be ti say wan yem pa ba wawu what man say sankrofo we mu nyina mfa so bia ni so omo bre omo kwa e no mu kwa so at the end of the day all frame no satama no odidi a wonya ni sika onem na edi memo obi anko ba bia ono nko an face the way the punishment ya china omo nko ono nko anko what man say
yes
adenta kumi minim ni ye just a young man no ho neteno say amane ho kwan se omo yuzu no emfanye sa adwuma wu a wo ye no Santuku say Santuku restaurant na wo Villaggio no. A high profile restaurant almost say Yenjisi Campo. This is the okra card. Mama Tina Abroche Dan. Mama di card. And Modi Dio Hono. And the restaurant that Obia Timiko Hobi. And I don't think say a restaurant that Kumidi Dio Hono. Why is it? A new restaurant that would do Hono. Video ya share my home kumu video no. This is a video no more there. Kwabena no final video no. Obi ne dia suma no. I say so obi ne dia suma o there. Why ne di suma o? Do you get it? Why ne di video no share on sa? I say a restaurant there. Yes, a public place, but a secluded. Nearby be a child be picture crowd Ghana Hanani Panasu Mimpa Esujai. Obi share baby no child fit or you phone, so the phone say or try that kind of say that you main tramia esu chasso and then drop for that is the rule. I say and say what Timiako restaurant now almost CCTV footage are exclusive to the restaurant no. Wanya sa video na na udinam eko post to Facebook or Twitter so who video no na much wo mo ye den kra other people will release the video then one restaurant no will cost to say obe report to na omo hu kwan ofa so nya video no I say eno e wo honom two wrong information enti oma charging for false publication
and it was a criminal offense
because what's omokoye meeting na wote hobby na wote nkomo na omo yeden omo di no na sa case na ewo court ho no hu nkomo no mudi but video aye hwe yi no Mugabe adenta kumi ni video ni enti se no o restaurant ho no ma ehina na ote odi hu nkomo na omo but video na is there any way judges nyina ko transfer ko
maybe yes sir
enti wa publish false information etiamra
no he has been charged
wa say enti enye petition no ena amount for to say no more kazo ya koti adenta because of the petition enye ntia information I would do two interviews are wa granted ena national security na before so false information so publishing organa ha etiamra emra new bedi in the sa koye court case na no one say ya yenua ena no lawyer kwamsi adi kwampoku kwampoku na kojina mu amano o so ope bill amano ba omo process eni wo ho isi esi ye responsible wabi politics na say you're responsible adenta kumi is struggling for relevance or yen your be bia mo magina tum isi unzi wakodi alanchi kakra eno fi alanchi eno mo man no kotana apola domochi shuso eno di alamad alatem pasa owie ye zaduma fun bia omo so mo ye na NPP mu bia no na yakofa komisi koye saduma no I think say or a young man na si odwin no ho no dream na busia no dream no wife ho anze ukoka wazemi na wife nka ho bi bo mu ba yi utie video no hwe video na utie oba na ne a utimu se is a woman in distress na you know you're worried I say no mu di ni ko ye di ni ko ozi ye di ni ko no ozi baby record me don't be afraid you do beko a man de from mra do beko ye and a buy so a petition nti and a national security and I before go far no and can you beka site here but then I bet don't say that it has nothing to do with petition now or Troy no now interviews our grantee any post our year or social media except okra videos of sa meeting we and no marco channel where there a normal process on court so court no evidence or bet me prove beyond current video we the extra videos no one now say yet damn me no so the beba but Mugabe I am disappointed in Santuku restaurant. Sa restaurant no Sammy me a customer and can miss you restaurant no. So me wo video we be more Mugabe can miss you restaurant no. You see your data protection act. And you know ultimate family information and that is it. You cannot throw my information out just like that. Close circuit television cameras security gadgets for security purposes and unti na wo ba adwuma mu ha NPP for nkwan enya mu nyina am wo adwuma mu na access to that CCTV. And just a BBC asem ba ansana ye kwa review the footage na ya cut
review pa
na ya cut the necessary places na dia ya de ansa na di BBC betu ba national security a demand be a court order ansana video say betimi about on what basis entina release videos at the 2 Jones am obi ni obi tin baby. I want to believe say beyond some ton aduane no moton amount for informations. Santuku ho beyond some ton aduane no. I want to believe say yeah omoton amount for data. Mo amanya sika bro so amose ho na mo bedide no. You should be careful because you are not safe. Assemble before assembly krabe ko to ba be say to no. Omo do video e betudwa. Because I don't know why.
Seriously.
Kumi nye juma wo Santuku. It does not work there. When a restaurant there, let's begin to look for the owner of the restaurant. And a betray. Do you get it? Yeah, you can trace it. Simple. We bet much check from Register General who owns the restaurant. Once you direct us now, then then you will know who released the video. For me, worrying, embarrassing to restaurant and then the customers. But Ghana for man for drink, man for your conscious, people mindful, minded for security. But be say any can say woko. Maybe say means you ho. I said no. Ube who any be na beto just. So now you know. Say now who ni man na who. Who ni man. This who ni man na the way who so how crowd. You are not safe. Omo who feel say. A hon ye safer. Yeah. Omo call honeymoon. Omo de hanmu de a high class into bia keke intimi maha. That is their thinking. We nye hold we nye restaurant obia keke betimi so enini. Na mo fi se mo na mo fi se ba mo na de gu abontin. Mo na ye hwe mu video na that is a issue. What I say? For me, dear Mugabe, you see, on Wontumi, but is a Wontumi say one the minister that one not board so I don't know mutata no. So Wontumi amayati say why a minister that now we are comfort. Why a CEO that we are comfort. What that board so that we are comfort. Some information we cry enough for say obechi minister bia okro we mu obechi obi a waye CEO pen e we NPP aban because Wontumi na eka o si 8 years ni wanda bi suda ndade na ye hwehwe no ba na wan fan kan Mugabe and say busin a wodi wo Exim Bank no o de adwuma na odi ko ye no $5 million says on fan ko do efu no adofu no
ubisa no.
So one, you are not the board member. Oh yes, you. But what the loan
from Exim Bank?
Exim Bank. $5
million.
$5 million. What the Adjumano? But no. I don't know. So one vankodo. No. Yankika bin kanwana. No, come on. Is it you get serious? A man would there nobody. Wontumi obia ni mse woni FIC, Financial Intelligence Center. E wo issue. Enti omo freeze your account.
Honorable
Kojo Kyeremanteng omo freeze your account. Maybe omo
freezing them all.
Omo hwehwe na wo ma, they will come after you. So more financial intelligence center for every be you Anno. Now when you're ready to cooperate, then don't make my bet you.
They have that.
And not all free MB before. MB before, sorry. Omunti NDC for you say no muyewi. And I want to obey concessions. Uba wututu ko finti enye chairman ti former formina chairman. Also deal with nyina no. Wanya no want me anwa no. Eni nyina ka ho e no ye zo metu. Me wa. Rabi. Ubedi ye message ko finti mu na ye obeye wo chairman. Want me anwa no. Oba ni ka man for nti why na wo bo anu NPP mu and wo frame NPP for some mebo ayi. Why na wo bo anu? Why na wo bo anu? Wo da NPP for na be chairman. Untu ba na ka so on wa high wa top story building there head office of my NPP na Ashanti region. No rent. Me wa. Now we or the same. Mahamadu Kwadi ni say no mu kwan say oh some Vitamilk. Some Vitamilk Mahamadu no otua honka. Enti NPP high dying e wa Ashanti region. No wasi bi.
Crew from there no.
Enya NPP there. It was a rented apartment. Unyawe. Ube dada party na odi chairman. And I would ye say tam. We see the biggest palace. The wa. It was Ashanti bigger than two for him fee. And now some to was MPP funds sorry mra. Would go to two kwa kaje Ghana for who ska a cast won't me Sikana no a gold and not better o friend before some brand and go discount. Gabi. Want me friend before say Majaska or Manyaska no man and go discount. Want to man fro biasam man and go discount. Want to mean the birthday pom fro be man and go be that. What I say to see we your friend then. Kwabena Agyapong was so many birthdays. Afibia odin kan no akodi Kumasi nti no party for konya bidi untimi program be na waya wa party nida program be na waya fa party for so muslim man na mo medi be na de waya yi o ho ache wo no shedem na wa party for sorry party ni bia sorry o emi before adwin o mo hu
opposition mata na
wa adwin for bia ni party ni bi o se wa kodi nkwa ha se no ye pe wa che wa se yen sorry ye so yakohin one money sorry. Now what do you say 2013 or yes 2013 then or yeah your boss and down yeah no or more AD net or so no more question who's what did judgment debt. Wow. Want to mean a judgment debt in 2024. First quarter 2024 man excavators one man judgment debt. Or why be this scan? Why is one this scan NPP address or Beijing when this address? That is remember who says if say who chew be and I say be now that nobody is after Wontumi we need Mrananya. Yes, so financial intelligence center for chase it is either you are who money laundry so who money laundry am gabi sika for our account mu na ye who sika no source it will come after you. So I say the baba is here ni mesimu gabi we eduma wo hai we our salary 30,000 a month. The best a month be na 1 million. 1 million Ghana cedis abetum 2 weeks 1 million 3 weeks no ye be bisaw source of income ye
otchere
otchere what my tablo che de simunim they monitor you they check ye hwe bibia the way sika wura a ekoba no ye check enti na financial intelligence center no omo monitor enti we are suspect you are either doing money laundry and now we ye bibia enti asienim enunti no mo freeze your account go and cooperate kone ko church wo usika no source
enye dede bia
na so mo hwehwe na wo so nkwanye enye police for na be bechiw. What is the use of police for? See e bechiw an ya chu na kwado ka national security for Gabi. You see omoye na yeye a abana yeye. See when your national security is weak the government fails. NPP failed because of national security. no muntimi pick intelligence no muntimi work out on intelligence o muntimi separate what anymore. I say and a course party no and the cost promise aban say he's going to win by 50.1%. National security for the mom say false hope no. And it's a be dibia Mugabe munye yi na munja se mudi titi amanfo no. You see Wontumi ni oh you go do one cast party formula
18
go. It is solid money. Mami Fabio Muchro. What is solid? What is solid money? Solid. What is solid money? Mami Fabio Muchro. Solid money. I'm talking about solid money. What is it? It's a casa Wontumi was sika. Anya bango. And you go. And the same God there I can watch me. What it? Mami Fabio Muchro. Mami Fabio Muchro. So why? What is solid money? We are talking about solid money. Solid money. Oh, and that's Mami Fabio Crash. Mami Fabio Musacho.
Mugabe, solid money. Unya solid money no oni wa business for na di. One pre party phobia so mo meboa. Enti se ne asema ba onku dia onku ye de sa ne di ni we ni obi nya de obi abesun aju obi national security for no tumi no mo dia mamu mo mfanye adwuma mo aban mo mfanye adwuma ma nipa oyi mo no onya didie wo mo mu di tumi na shamonsa no mo mfanye adwuma mo na mo nya ise mo di sabotage no na mo nya ise mo di plant stories a newspaper mo against mo amoho no emwa it is because who did some for your clear mu nyina so the who visit who ye bio ye clear mu nyina em block obi anka honom nobody will remain there koda bodin sa dina wo ye fragadam na wo ye hono enye
fragadam ni free ho
are na wo de cars ma wo si free Mugabe ya de mencheche mu ana
no please
mama nchema me say fragadam
fragadam
ana this the mencheche na what ya say ni time say fragadam no and ti me mo dida na mencheche and there's but obi bia wakoji obeso akọ wa be rent low bed aswa ne mana kogu honum obi bia makoye sa operation phone you will see you will carry the things back no bia mo out beso ne mana kogu
muga as omampani o said we are almost resetting your man baby on man o mo ye fi
business
big
Amza say uncle send me 500 but we send me 400 they will send 100
oh
Amza from where
Canada
sikana she awo sa enya
$500
that's what the Bible
kwajo simo 400
was send 300 o send Canadian dollars and kwa dey from grass
when they wu kran
mama dey say dey work dollar no
well send kran
wa juma ni na
wasen muga
kojo
won say enkrofo bi da so ba bia ye say mampani you go food and drugs border wonim so bi ho no da so te wo wotuma enyo no nko na se biam se be nya do wakọ school ana onim bibi sa ma me ne munyi no yes mampani pa changes the munye ye won kro 43 for nim die for bebre wo fie ye o mo pe o mo abre ansa na mamu we be ba nya de keto nipa bre o nipa do mo wi die na ye adwuma enkrofo da so bench me say go back to the bench nipa do na wachire enyuma ne bi wo hono ma ada na NPP fund so ho ba bia nka machi mu ga ba bia nka machi airport say e tia no pa airport ne yeti airport ho na airport maami e na epani ne de obi akọhye na se na omo aka nyina ya NPP fo no mguo koke mai pomsi koke aba bibia ma omsi aba bi nu boni bia ma bibia ma play landing ba no mo friend krofa ka chemse we na landing omo pani ada mo ida fini ma na ba bi se ye ma hohompo entwamu ho NPP ni kwa benya kwanya enka sabia musabia nyaado wo tu kwa ya no mpo ye hwa no no ya ma na wo twemu akọ so no ye djuma ho no ada ye mampani dia na aba we mu de sabe consider mu baby na at least some watching side baby na de nipa no beto correct what my KVIP bi na baby na obehwe bibi so fine but say crofo da so tete airport mugabi anu de o yes o mampani baby hon man crofo da so tete hon ma wo dwere ho a wo nti ase yes so mampani so onye those changes no e ma ne moaye because anu de say see atiwei na airport hon mo diesel hwe niam e course hwe niam magda mo ye ni ade wo airport wo yes sabe mu sabe nya do e se nya obi man call up to now airport landing now they schedule development e course the name of Ghana na e course individual sansa se na wo airport today mu nyina na akokodi maami na hwe so maami niam contract akese e wo ma e wo airport wo adan na anu plane babesi o plane se ne time na se break na atie maami ni nkrofo man so anu mo friend nkrofo so mo di nuboni aba when na se mo for advantage na kan nkrofo airport mo clean o obi a na kwatra we what wo kwa ye man bia no be deputy ye man bibi no aye o man pani misramo mo clean ho nyina antumu wotima se ada na mo pempa nkrofo bi ye te ono se wo hini bi say ye wono na danfo eba enti o se wo hini no wo gira campaign platform be no gira so
Kojo Kyeremanteng.
So it's like Sani Ekano, or my penny myself, cleaning for food and dashboard, mammy, confusion, creative before Yababa power. What about that? What's your JDA?
Kojo Kyeremanteng.
That do a munya way and go for the bench and go for a bench to do. Adain, Muma changes in Yajuma.
Araba suspension. Was it a Supreme Court to say Omoniana life, like Omon broadcasting, no beer. I think say. The Chief Justice on Ebia or Kotna Afenyo Finemra. Mama the Constitution non kind. The first say own access to the Supreme Court I court one in Chesson so in the books no Ajano among some command will fee non kind non refreshing in memory. Mugabe Article 146 clause 8 clear. Set proceedings shall be done in camera. And optional.
Shall.
Shall. And mandatory.
And may.
No, may. I say, any who are Quenya so lawyer. Beko represent you. Either yourself or your lawyer. Any person could nyama. But my fagana and your lawyers in no makujina mama.
So damn.
Yes, omunya betima ku jama but see a bet the bet to television so there nobody is changing that law and this one oh yeah wait
146
I said nana me back last week me catch was the case na call no be 41 e buy no pepe 41 where unanimous this one ye twagu unanimous because the Supreme Court cannot support an illegality. I'm not preempting a common sense Mugabe. Yatro in black and white. The thing is written, is provided for. Also, we a former Chief Justice in Tino.
Suspended.
For a former Chief Justice.
Suspended.
You see, the acting Chief Justice, I saw or making sure say will be papa mami with near 50 person or so. Stamp on what does this is. Omajai. Because me the
acting and
they would insist to now the Bamen you. Because once he's been suspended.
Yeah,
on the Wawa Candia, Wamaya, their family.
Hopefully, a wife, SU, Agrada,
acting a bad. I said, Nano Muye, or Muye, Bakubi, Nanama, the Neye, Torkornoo, Araban, also, and American, so must have fine. And to Navy, we, as about this time, your Jano Quine, your party, not your court, Jane Adokwe Mensa Dianoso. And I'm now Kumasi. That's the driver of farmers who quite Mugabe Mammy. Me, Mao. Easy, me mommy didn't tell me, or the cow try it. So,
as you ever see,
I die. Minya Ghana need you. Because they said the one we never have president in T. Minya Ghana need you. Ghana for Musorio. Ghana for Musorio. And before you know Musorio. And before you know Musorio. I am Munti and a Mahama MC. And before I am Munti and a Mahama MC. Be vice president da. Me madam board so da. Me my CEO da. Me my minister da. Aya dia ya. Aya chairman na media. And I want me campaign in mame. I'm me campaign in mame party. And I'm here Juma. Sadia awresemu a also o me di ma me no. My wie ya wene onu wa wene. Young Mahama only president of Ghana. Eti no fly and so 2013 Muya Saba the Boom Majuma. Mubu Majuma, any of the Yinano, Yabaya, no. Manka Bibia, Abia was a Manakai. Mubaye, Mastopi Majuma, Macau to Pa, Bidia was one. Me, Macau to Club, Bidia was no. Cemetery, Masku Fisi Club, Ayading. What I say, most of them will start to Macau to so, and Nasabi, me, Sikabai, Sikabai, a better me. A basic campaign and a better won't be what? Me my count for the past almost a day. Minagana need you. Because they said the 1 million president in T. Minagana need you. Ghana for Musorio. And before you know Musorio. I am Munti and a Mahama MC. And before I am Munti and a Mahama MC. This vice president that. Me, my don't board soda. Me, my DCO da. Me, my minister da. I chairman in the media. And I want me campaign in mammy. I'm me campaign in mammy party. And I'm a Juma. Sadia, I will say more also with the mammy. My win it, all I win it. Young Mahama, only president of Ghana. It's no client soon. 2013, we are Saba the Boom Juma. Mubu Majuma, any of the Yinano, Yabaya, no. Manka Bibia, Abia was a Bia Manakai. Mubaye, Mastopi Majuma, Macau to Pa, Bidia was one. Me, Macau to Club, Bidia was no. Cemetery, Masku Fisi Club, Ayading. What I say, most of them will start to Macau to so, and Nasabi, me, Sikabai, a better me. A basic campaign, and a better won't be what? Me my count for the past almost.
Yo, before we and somewhere about beto, Yapono Macau say, so we can subscribe to channel area, but more than I say, over subscribe. Now, I like video, don't give us a thumbs up. Now, fish, share my wolf for froso. Now, when you be here now, and somewhere also, Ghana memoir. Also, bet me, Atchere, wondering if I hear and some way now, comment boxing. Mobeti, make a beam in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.